most welcome in Global Spoken English.
Good morning to the respected directors of Nabi sir and my dear friends. My name is Mohammad Raza and I am from Motivational. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English and I am going to deliver a speech on how can we become successful person in our life. So before starting my topic, I want to say that what is success? Success is simply the feeling of satisfaction and happiness. Success is only can be achieved by doing hard work. And for succeeding in our life, you have to take a good education. Because everybody knows that education is key of success. So you have to take a good education from a good teacher. Because if you have no education, so what will you do? And if you go for interview, what will you do? You have no education. You have no idea for this. So education is a very important in our life. And if you have no education, so you cannot succeed in your life. And teacher is very important in our life because from where you will get education? Somebody tells that we can get education from mobile, internet, but this is not. Internet cannot give us full, this cannot explain us very good. But teacher can explain more good than internet, mobile, Google. So teacher is very important in our life. We should not abuse teacher. Some bad people who have no manners, they abuse teachers and they do not respect their teacher. This is very bad habit. You should respect your teachers because teachers are the people who let you succeed in your life. So you should respect your teachers and manners. Manners are very, very necessary in our life. Before succeeding in your personal life, you have to succeed in your society. Because if you have succeeded in life but you have no manners, you abuse, backbite, so what your society people say, your locality people say? They will say that he is very bad person, don't talk to him. So they will not talk to you. So what will you do? You will live alone. So for succeeding in your life, you have to succeed in your society. And if you have manners, everybody praise you, say that he is very good and he can succeed in his life. So the manners is very important in our life. And hard work. You can achieve success by doing hard work. Hard work is very important in your life. If you are, I'm giving an example that if you are lazy, so you cannot succeed in your life because you will only sleep, watch television and use mobile, only sleep. This is not good for your health and also not good for your future. Because lazy person only tells that tomorrow I will do this, tomorrow I will do this, tomorrow never comes. So in tomorrow your life will go and you cannot succeed in your life. So don't say tomorrow I will do, tomorrow I will do. Do today's work today and if you have time, so do tomorrow's work today. Don't say that tomorrow I will do. And goal is very important in our life because if you have goal I have no idea for becoming what I become. So you have to make a goal for succeeding in your life. And if you have made your goal, so don't focus on other talking. Everybody says in your society who knows you, they will tell that don't become this. If your goal is become teacher, don't become teacher, become engineer, become doctor. So don't focus on their talking. Do your work. They will mislead you because they want only that I only succeed in my life. Nobody succeed in their life. So don't focus on their talking because you have to succeed in your life. They will not come if you will not succeed. They will not come for speaking sorry I have mislead you. They will not tell that now I am going to succeed you. They will laugh and think that only I succeed, he cannot succeed in his life. So don't focus on their talking. And self-confidence is very important in our life because if I have self-confidence, so we can do everything if we have self-confidence. And if you think that I cannot do, so you will not practice and you will not do, so you cannot do. And if you have confidence that I can do, so you will practice and you can learn this and you can succeed in your life. I am giving an example, two examples that it has done me that when I was reading in second class, in every class I have done this. That when I go for giving exam and my confidence will low and I will not take right option. I take right option, but after some time my self-confidence will low and I will take wrong answer. So you have self-confidence. And focus is also very important in your life because if you are doing something, for example, you are preparing for IAS, IPS exam. So, but your mind is playing games, watching TV, and chatting with friends. So you cannot prepare for this, and you cannot succeed in your life. Focus, I believe, is very important in our life. So, what you are doing, focus on this work. And if you are focusing on other work, so you cannot do this work good. So, you have to focus on this, which which work you are doing. And time is very important in our life. Somebody tells that I have many time, I have full life. Whenever I want, I can do this, I can do this. They are thinking wrong because if you have time, so don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Don't kill your time because if you are playing with your time, so after some time, time will play with you. So do work on time and never think that I cannot do this, I cannot do this. So this was my opinion, and one more thing that if you want to succeed in your life, so very necessary hard work. If you have not good education, but you have education, but you can succeed in your life. If you have no education, but you do hard work, you can succeed in your life. Because hard work is very important in our life. I am telling an example of our Prime Minister of India that in childhood he sold tea, and now he has become a Prime Minister. And in future, people order that give me tea, and he is ordering our India that do this, do this, do this. So hard work is very important in our life. A hard work can change your life. First, he thinks that I cannot, and when he thinks that if somebody can become, so why I cannot become? So he do hard work and take education, and now he is the Prime Minister of India, and he is running our country. So do hard work and succeed in your life. Like this has happened with every great person. In childhood they were very poor, and in future what they have become. So do hard work and succeed in your life. So this was my opinion, and if you know another way of succeeding in your life, so you can succeed. And this was my opinion. So now I like to finish my topic. Thanks. Therefore, APJ Abdul Kalam says that if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. So this is the very important thing in your life. It means that if you do hard work, so you can change your life. And another thing, if you are playing with your time, so after some time will play with you. So don't waste your time. Hard work on your time. So this was my opinion. Now I like to finish my topic.